to LOPO's channel. Here is Daisy again. Happy New Year to all of you. It's glad to see you again in today's video in 2024. Today, I will talk about the baby book, which is a useful product in families. This product is suitable for babies because it is washable and use tough materials, which means not easy to deform. Also, it has a witty color effect. You can print a photo like this as a photo album or an ABC book, etc. Okay, let's go for the design part. We need to have two templates when you do the design, especially if you want to do full printing. One is for the single page, and the other one is for the cover and connected pages. So for the templates, I will make them with 5 mm wider than their actual size for this product. Because the pages are irregular, it is more convenient to cut the wide border and print it. Next, based on these templates, let's talk about what kind of design will be suitable for it. As you can see, the templates are really simple, which means it is suitable for all types of design. But there are some tips I would like to share with you. First, if you want to do a full color-based design on a single page, we suggest you put the important part in the middle of it and far from the border. If the main character is too close to the border, it might be left on the printing paper but not on the book. Putting all items in the middle part of the design would make your printing easier. Second, for the connected pages and cover, if you also want to do full print design, you better put the characters in the middle of the border. At the same time, you need to pay attention to the folded area. You may need to leave some space for it. Okay, that's all for today's video. This is Daisy from LOPO, and hope today's video is helpful for you. If you have any questions like templates, designs, and contents, please feel free to contact our sales and leave your message at below or subscribe our channel. You will always get reply from us. Join us! Let's make life memorable!